Okay, so I'm going to do topic 87, which is people often lie on a first date so they can secure the second one. Um, so I think the main reason that people lie on a first date is because they feel like oftentimes their actual self isn't good enough and they don't believe in themselves and they don't have enough confidence to actually act themselves when they go on a first date. So I think a lot of times people tell little white lies and little fibs just to make themselves seem better and seem more interesting in a way and more like outgoing, and to just tell like little white lies, not like a full on lie, like saying something that's completely not true, because obviously the person will find out in the long run if they do continue to date them. Um, so I feel like for most people, it's just a confidence thing. They don't feel confident going into a first date just as themselves, so they feel like they need to lie about certain things and make themselves seem cooler than they actually are, which in all reality is extremely stupid, because if the person actually likes you, then they wouldn't care if, you know, something you did was a little more adventurous than what you actually did. If they're going on a first date with you, they obviously want to know who you are and how you are as a person, so lying to them doesn't help. And then if they do go on a second date with you, then you're just going into the relationship lying. Like you're just going into it bad from the start, and you feel like it's just you're going into a relationship lying, you're starting off on a big lie, and it doesn't do any good when you can just be yourself and see if they like you for how you actually are. So yeah.